everyone wants to watch the first day show, but I'm one of those few lucky ones who managed to see a preview even before the official release. I won't spoil it for you. I won't tell you why Katappa killed Amarendra Bahubali, but here are a few takes that I have on this film. Certainly a visual delight. Very, very rich, spectacular colors mounted on a very grand scale. But is this something that is new cinema, intelligent cinema, that is rediscovering the way cinema has been made so far? No, not really. But it is certainly world class in technology. I like part 2 much better. Bahubali conclusion much better than Bahubali the beginning. One, because there is a lot more of humor and it is much, much more emotionally engaging. If we thought this is only about Bahubali versus Ballala Deva, the protagonist and the antagonist, there are in fact the women characters who dominate in part 2. Ramya Krishna as Sivagami, the Queen Mother, does a brilliant job. She is very majestic, royal and beautiful. Anushka also playing a very, very strong woman character. If you were disappointed in part 1 that the tribal princess Avantika, played by Tamanna, had in fact melted at the touch of the hero, in this particular case you find very outspoken, decisive and strong women characters. There are touches of talking about sexual harassment and about women harassment and how the women stand up for themselves as well. The two main leads, of course, Ballala Deva, played by Rana Daggubati, and Bahubali in both his versions, Amarendra and Mahendra, played by Prabhas, certainly have done a good job. But we would like much, much more to delve into why these two brothers became the way they are, why they became very different, even though they were brought up by the same mother. Perhaps that's the reason why Rajamouli has, in fact, decided to go into an animation series and also other versions, transmedia versions, to be able to tell us those stories about why these characters developed the way they did. Katappa, from part 1 to part 2, seems to be almost a character very different. There is humor in it along with Prabhas, and the second part is much, much more emotionally engaging than the first part. Technologically, certainly world class, but is this path-breaking, intelligent cinema which is redefining the way new cinema is? No, that is not the case. But we can certainly be very proud that for the first time we have Indian content, world-class technology and an Indian story, an Indian epic in fact, being told at such grand proportions that you will not want to miss even a single frame. So it's going to be worth your while. Go and get your ticket and watch Bahubali the conclusion on a big screen.